miniPCR Digital offers teachers 3 tools for monitoring student progress and performance. In this video, we'll walk you through each one and show you how to access them. The progress indicator lets you quickly see where your students stand in completing an activity. To access it, click on the activities icon for your class of interest, then select View Roster for the activity your students are working on. Next to each student's name, you'll see a status indicator that tells you how far along they are. If the student has answered all the assessment questions, it'll show as completed. If they haven't answered any questions yet, it'll say not started. And if they've started but haven't finished, you'll see in progress. The Performance Snapshot is a tool you can use to determine how well your class, on the whole, understands the concepts assessed in a digital activity. To access it, click on the Activities icon for your class and then choose Assessment Summary for the activity you'd like to review. Each row in the Performance Snapshot corresponds to one assessment question. At the end of each row, you'll see a bar that gives you a quick visual breakdown of how your students performed. It shows the proportion of your class that answered the question correct on their first try, correct after multiple attempts, or incorrect. This tool makes it easy to identify areas where your students might need extra support so you can decide what to revisit in class. Students have access to a similar tool, which they can view by clicking the Assessment Summary button on their own dashboards. The students' version displays only their individual data, allowing them to review their performance easily. For a more detailed look at student performance, you can download a complete assessment report as a CSV file. Start by clicking the Activities icon for your class, then select View Roster for the activity you want to review. At the bottom of the roster, you'll see a button labeled Export Class Data. When you click it, the CSV file will download automatically. You can open it with any spreadsheet tool to view detailed data for all your students. With these tools, we hope you'll have everything you need to track student progress, pinpoint areas for improvement, and support your students in reaching their potential.